We want to know whether this helicopter that burned with fire, we want to know whether is it something behind in this thing that happened to our brother and her wife and one of her son and other people. We want to know whether is it normal thing or is it something behind in this thing that happened to our brother. I know that if it is an American citizen that this kind of thing happened in Nigeria, America would have come to know the reason, know whether this crash is ordinary crash or whether something is behind in this copter that crashed, that burned. We want to know what happened to our brother. Whether this fire, whether this crash that helicopter have, whether it's normal thing or something behind in this thing that happened to our brother and his family. He died and her wife and her children, one of our sons and others died. We want to know whether this thing that happened to our brother, is it ordinary thing or something behind in this thing that happened. He's our brother and we want to know what happened. Because if it is an American citizen that died in Nigeria, that have this kind of problem, died with his wife, they will come to know what happened to their citizen. So we Nigeria want to know what happened to our citizen in America. America, we need you people to come and give us the details what happened to our brother. May the soul of our brother Wigwe and her wife, may the soul of our brother Wigwe and her wife and her children and all the people that died in this crash, may all of them, may their soul rest in peace. May their soul rest in peace. But we are still waiting for America to give all the details what happened to our brother.